I've worked here for over a decade. Every day, we shape raw metal and polymers into tools that must perform without fail. Step inside the heart of one of the world's most tightly controlled production facilities, where engineering meets exacting discipline. This is a factory where every motion is measured, every process calibrated, and every outcome matters. It all begins with raw materials. High-grade steel alloys arrive in thick slabs. Each piece undergoes initial inspections, ensuring that only material meeting exacting chemical and structural standards enters the production line. Here, the story of a precision instrument starts in the elemental forms of metal and polymer, untouched by human hands but destined for transformation. The glowing red of metal under hammering presses and automated forging machines casts long shadows across the floor. Polymers, too, are shaped in precise molds, taking the form of frames and components essential to the final assembly.
Milling machines carve surfaces with micrometer accuracy. Drills and lathes, etching the contours that will define the function of each piece.
Sensors and cameras monitor each movement, feeding back to control systems that maintain tolerances impossible to achieve by hand alone. Then comes assembly. Components traverse the factory via automated conveyors and carefully orchestrated handoffs. Seepers. Frames meet slides, triggers align with sears, springs nestle into guides. Workers, trained for years. They do not rush. Their movements are deliberate, almost meditative, an unspoken dialogue between. Modules integrate seamlessly, tolerances are double-checked, and every joint is observed for alignment. The assembly line here is less a conveyor and more a choreography of engineering, where human oversight ensures.